Hi everyone, I'm going to make an original page in my dictionary. This one I'm gluing three pages to each other, so I will have something nice to work on. And I'm going to put a little bit of gesso on my pages, more to cover just a part of the text that I have here, and less in terms of having some primer to my page. I'm going to take a sponge and I'm taking a little bit of gesso and just going around my page like so. I don't want brush strokes to be seen, so that's why I'm using the sponge. And as you can see, it covers a little bit of the text. Here we go. I'm a little bit under the weather, so sorry for how I sound, but we'll pull through. So here is the coat of gesso, and I'm gonna blast it with the heater for a minute, and I'll be back with the next phase. I'm back. So I want to use some of my chalk pastels. I haven't used them in a while, and I'll try to do something with them. I have some kind of idea of what my page should look like, but you can never know. I took a dark brown and I'm going over the edges, and I'm just going to play a little bit with the browns for now, and I'm going to smear all of it with a baby wipe. So, and this is like burnt umber. As I said, I'm just playing and laying down some color here, and moving on to orange. Not my usual colors, but that's a part of the fun. And this is like yellow ochre more than yellow, I don't know. Most of my page is going to be with this color, except here that I'm going with a lighter yellow. Okay, so now I'm going to take a baby wipe and gently I'm going to smear all this, and I'm hoping to not leave so that it won't remove everything, and that it would give me a nice effect. If not, I will just take acrylics and go over everything. And where there isn't any gesso, the colors are more intense because they are soaking into the page underneath. So if you are seeing the difference, that's why. Well, I don't know if I like it yet. Right now it just looks like a lot of mess. I don't know. Maybe a bit more of the yellow. And more brown. Well, it's interesting. So, although it's not what I had in mind for my background, I'm going to leave it be and hope for the best. That's part of the whole thing. Just working it. So, this is the start of my background, and I want a oops I lost my train of thought. Let's see. I want something to do with washi tape I have, and I'm going to glue it because it lost all its adhesive, and I'm sounding very nasal. I'm sorry. So putting down glue here. This washi tape just went bad, but I still like it, so I'm going to use it. And another piece here. This can be a disaster, but we'll see. Here we go. Again, the washi tape is not working and not peeling. Okay. Now it decided to be okay. You see the difference between this and this? Unbelievable. That's why I stopped buying washi tapes. Just another one here. Let's see if I can again. Unbelievable. Either the adhesive it doesn't work or it works too much. I'm trying to put down here. Good enough for me. That's it for now with the washi tape. Just trimming here the excess. Yeah. So I'm just going to go a little bit over it just to make sure it's in place. Yeah. It seems to me this is going to be one crazy page. So now I'm going to again I need this to dry, and I don't want glue going on top on other things, and I'll be back. I'm back. So I want to put a line from here to here. I want it to look a little bit like what do they call them, electricity poles, something like that. And just this page is going to be some quirky whimsical page, so everything I'm doing, as you can see, I'm not trying for a straight line, and I want it like this. Yeah, so I wanted to do some birds, and I had an idea, and I don't know if it will work. This is a try that I'm going to make here live. Never tried it before, and let's see. I got this, what do you call them, yarn balls, pom-poms, whatever. So I'm going to use this, and I've got little ones. Where did I put them? Here we go. And I'm going to try something. As I said, this is the first time I'm trying this, and I hope it will work. So I'm taking an acrylic paint. This is Deco Art Oatmeal, and I'm putting a little bit here, and let's see if it will work. Spreading it, taking this ball, I'm hoping it will pick paint. It doesn't seem to be, but let's see if it does. Putting it here and squishing it. I don't know if it will work. This is such a crazy idea. I need more paint. Maybe the second time it will print better. Let's see. Squishing it. I wanted a print of something a little bit fluffy. That's why I took this kind of. Maybe it will work. I don't know. We'll see. So I've got one ball. Let's see if I can make some kind of a head for my bird. Again, needs more. I'm thinking I'm going for I need a little bit of white also. I need more paint, and it doesn't work with only. So I'm putting down, I hope you can see it, and that I'm in frame. I've put down a little bit of white here, and I'm going again with this ball. Just to add a little bit, and again with this one. Didn't work quite as I thought. I'm adding white here. Maybe it can be more seen on the page. I don't know, we'll see. So I'm going to blast it. I need it to dry so to see if I can work it before I'm doing 2 more birds that I want to have on my page. Yes, I know it looks quite bad right now, but we'll see. I'll be back. I'm back. Now I've got here a Stadler permanent marker, and it's quite thin, and I'm hoping that what will give definition to my quirky bird. And let's see, I'm going to draw some beak here, and let's see, an eye, maybe a little bit like this. And now I'm going all over this fuzzy stuff that I started. Just so there will be a little bit more definition to this crazy bird. And let's see, maybe give her yeah, and just going over, yeah. So let's do some tail to this crazy bird. And she was all kinds of fluffy, so let's do a little bit of fluffy tail. I don't know what I'm doing. Maybe I shouldn't do any art journaling while I'm sick. So I want to give it a little bit more color, but I don't want to cover anything. So I'm going to take this highlight markers, and I'm going with this. Let's see. Yeah, it's too harsh. Let's see what I've got. That's better. Crazy, crazy bird. Now I need to make two others if I can manage to squeeze them here, or maybe I'll do just another one. So we'll have a friend here. So I'm going to do another bird the same way as I've done this one, and I'll be back. I'm back. So here are my crazy birds, and I don't like the eyes. They look creepy, and I thought to myself, okay, if they are crazy birds, then they get crazy eyes. So I found I've got this how do you call them, googly eyes? I don't know. And I'm just going to put them down here so it will be more interesting. Here we go. And another one. Yeah. And another one here. Yeah. Crazy birds. So now I want to add to my background, which is right now is boring, and I want interest in it. And first of all, I'm going to take this stamp and like a handwritten script, and just let's see. And I've got here a walnut stain distress ink by Tim Holtz. So I'm just adding interest to my background. and randomly stamping. Okay, and now I want to stamp something that will correspond with the blue that I've got in my Crazy Birds. So I've got here Versacolor turquoise, and I'm going to find me some some stamp that would be good for the background. Let's see, I haven't thought about it, so now I'm going quickly over the stamps that I have for backgrounds, and let's go with circles. Circles are always good in my book, so not even going to take them out from this, just yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Crazy interesting background. Yeah. And yeah, I'm going to go all around my page because I really like it. So now I just want to I want to darken the edges because I really feel that it needs something, and I'm going to take a makeup sponge, and how did I put it? And again, the walnut stain, and just ink around the edges. And I'm going in also, I want a really wide edges that are more dark than the other space. Just to frame everything. So I'm going to do this, and I still want to write something here, and I'm going to get back. I'm back, and I finished inking around my double page, and now I just want to write here, and let's hope I can do it without making any mistakes, and that everything will get inside. Managed it. Let's see. And I didn't make any mistakes. I'm dyslexic, so everything needs to be always checked twice. Let's see. Let's do here I'm making a mistake. Never mind. I'll live with it. Not that I have a choice. I can correct it a little bit. Let's see. Taking a little bit of acrylic paint, and I need this to dry. It will be okay. So this is it, my crazy page. Sometimes I really like my crazy pages. So this is it. I hope you liked my crazy birds. I'll bring it a little bit closer just so you can see the details that I've got, and I hope you liked it. I hope it gave you some ideas, and thank you for watching, and thanks for leaving me comments below. I'll be seeing you in my next video. Bye for now.